Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
Your 401k is a fantastic way to save for your future, but for many Muslims, a common question arises. How does zakat apply to these retirement accounts? They can seem a bit complex, with different contribution types and vesting schedules. Don't worry, we're here to clarify the process step by step, helping you understand exactly how to fulfill your zakat obligation on your 401k savings with confidence and ease. When looking at your 401k for zakat, the most important figure is your vested balance. This is the money you would actually receive if you were to leave your job today. It's essential to only calculate zakat on the funds that truly belong to you, including any employer contributions that have fully vested. Don't include any unvested amounts in your calculation. To find your zakat table base, start with your vested 401k balance. Next, you'll need to estimate and subtract any early withdrawal penalties, usually around 10%. Then, also estimate and subtract the income taxes you'd owe if you were to withdraw that money today. What's left, that net accessible amount, is what you calculate zakat on. Now that you have your net accessible amount, ensure it meets the current nisab threshold. This is the minimum amount of wealth required for zakat to be obligatory. Then, once a full lunar year or haul has passed while your wealth remained above nisab, you'll pay 2.5% of that net accessible amount. This is your annual zakat payment. Calculating zakat on your 401k might seem detailed, so don't hesitate to seek expert advice. Consulting a knowledgeable Islamic scholar or a financial planner specializing in zakat can provide tailored guidance for your specific situation. Their insights can ensure you fulfill this important obligation correctly and with complete peace of mind.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.